Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into our fresh 2025 guide on how to use Trello's Card Snooze power-up, perfect for managing your tasks and decluttering your board. To start, head over to your Trello board and click on a card. Now, on the right-hand side, you'll see a button labeled Power-Ups. Give it a click. This is where you'll find all the extra features Trello offers. The reason we do this is because it's the central hub for enhancing your Trello experience. Next up, look for the Card Snooze power-up and click Enable. This will give you the power to temporarily hide cards. Now that we've done that, you'll see a new button on your cards labeled Snooze. This is important as it allows you to focus on your most immediate tasks by hiding the less urgent ones. Moving on, click on the Snooze button on the card you wish to hide. You'll see options to snooze it until a specific time or date. Choose the one that suits you best. This helps us because it creates a more organized and distraction-free workspace. Now, when the snooze period ends, your card will automatically reappear on the board. Let me explain why this matters. It ensures you won't forget about the task, as it will reappear when it's time to tackle it. Finally, to unsnooze a card before the set time, simply go to the Snoozed Cards section in the menu and click Wake Up. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. The card is being reactivated and will instantly appear on your board. And that's it. You've just mastered using the Trello Card Snooze power-up. Remember, this tool is all about helping you manage your tasks more efficiently. Thanks for tuning in, and we'll catch you in the next guide.